Steady, steady. Mind your arm. That's better. That's it.
Look, there's a big clown. That's a big digger, Dad.
No, it's not a digger. It's a trampoline in the man's garden. Should we go and see it?
Yeah.
Come on then. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. There he is.
Let's go to the television.
Oh, steady. Daddy's dropped it. Come here. This way. This way. This way. Can you see it? Wow, it's a big one. But oh, look. They've taken it down for the winter, haven't they?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, you can't go on it. You've got yours at home, haven't you? Steady! Sheesh, you nearly went then, didn't you?
Doggy, look, that doggy.
There isn't a doggy.
No,
Where's the doggy?
there.
There's no doggy, it's a hedge.
Hedgehog.
It's not a hedgehog, no. It's just a hedge.
See it? Who's that?
I don't know, who could it be?
Gotta come in.
Murphy's eating grass.
Yeah, it's a good boy.
You doing your gallops? Oh, that's very, very nice. That's lovely. You keep going then. Daddy will follow you. Steve, watch where you're going.
Come on, Miss.
You're going to fall over in a minute.
Come on.
Where's he gone? No, you can't follow him. No, 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 no. You get dirty hands going in there.
Come on, Miss. Come on, Miss.
Gallops. Good gallops.
Come on, Miss.
You watch where you're going. Steady. You okay? You sure?